Hello, Lego Legends 12 here, coming with you with a tutorial how to strengthen up your Lego City Lego truck trailer. As you can see, if I push hard, it will snap. Just here. It will go like that. So, to strengthen it up, I will show you. Once I just put the door back on. There, door's back on. Once I just start this came off. For some odd reason this bit just came off. But anyway, I'll put it back on. There's no Lego people do. Lego fans. I should be doing videos every weekend. Okay, first you take the secure bit off. This. Now you get a 2x16 plate, and where the wheels begin, just there, you put it there. So it goes over the joint, it's just there. Okay, now get a 2x8 grey plate and put it so it is 2x2 away from this. So a 2x2 would be this there. And to measure that, you just put your thumb here and pop it there. As you see, that is 2x2. Okay, now you need another 2x16 bar and put it like that. Now there's a 2x2 space there, just there. Now you see this, where that 2x2 is? Put it so these bits here are facing wheels and trailer. So it's like that. Wow. Perfect trailer. Super perfect trailer. And it also looks nice. To make it look better, you can always just get a 1x8 and stick it here. You don't need it there. Take this off, put a 1x4 there, and put a 1. Okay, Lego Legend 12 signing out. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. In my next tutorial, I'll show you how to make this into flat back trailer. Night. Signing out.